Literally every single time I try and make videos, I've either got a siren, seagulls, a wood chopper, and now I've got an ice cream man in the background. So anyway, tonight's antics involve me fitting a gold chain, a rental 44 tooth sprocket, might be 42. I'll put it in the description. I've gone higher teeth on the rear from standard. I think it's 44, but I've got a feeling it's not. Anyway. And the rental front sprocket as well. So the issue with the standard chain, and I lubricate them, and I probably over lubricate them, and I'm always wiping shit off the back of the number plate and everything, it's just so much surface rust on it. And if you look here, so I've got, well, the microphone goes funny, but you've got to have a good looking chain. Rental sprocket, ignore that one. And look at this, it's awful. You've got nearly a £20,000 motorbike and it just looks shit. So anyway, I'm going to be fitting that now. Got my chain tool, look at this bad boy here. I'm not going to count the teeth. In fact, it should tell us. 44. And then we've got this chain. And what have we got? A 15 tooth, which is original, same as original. And a little cheap and nasty toolkit. So yeah, stand by. You are kidding me. Right then people, well, nothing is ever easy, so I was just in the process of merrily changing my front sprocket from this one to this one. Turns out the bolt is bent. You see that? So it goes in fine. Look at it though. So yeah, I'm supposed to be going on a ride first thing in the morning. Very frustrating. Now I believe that will torque up and it won't cause any issues, because if you look at where the bite point is, the bend on the bolt is kind of like, well, it's like there, but it doesn't engage until halfway down. So anyway, I just rang AP Workshops for a bit of moral support. They told me it's an M10 by 35 bolt. So I've just called the local hardware store and they don't have any of those. They've got M10 by 40. So I'm going to go down in the morning, pick some up. So there's a hair in the lens. Anyway, pick some up and cut to size and refit. So the most simple job has just become so difficult and it's very frustrating. But anyway, bear with me.
But I'm not concerned with fingers. Free talking, return of the kingdom. Kings of alive, from the sky we fall from. We can fly the wings of retire in the region of lies. And we wishing that I could preach for the light. And live in the light in the blink of an eye that shine. Get you watching it, get you watching it. Get you watching it, get you watching it. Love you always about this. She might go wrong, she won't go wrong. Her evil good fucks. She wears her heart on a sleeve black. She's wearing a patch on her shoulder. Side man walk. Like a deal on the don't tie. Don't worry, I've been waiting to come back. Like where the hell is the show? Beat around the bush like a 70s born. I make you wish that you never been born. And it's all good. And it's all good. And it's all good. And it's all good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like Bobby Fischer. Always 4 moves ahead of. We could not get better. I feel in charge, I beg you. Wearing that Cosby sweater. 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 Take a ride on the bus out of this. My Joe Mona Lisa. My Joe Mona Lisa. My Joe Mona.
So basically, for those of you who have not used this chain tool before, I'll just back it off a second. What you'll notice is that it's very hard to get this this link on. So what you use is this one, put it on the back, and then use the standard fitting here and just press the two together and you'll get your chain link on. Then what you have to do is split the rivet thing here, just grow this out so it doesn't pop off. Now first thing I want to do is wipe it, but I don't have a cloth. we'll do it. And then we just need to do some measurements actually, and understand what sort of width we need, and I'll show you that shortly once I've figured out how to do it myself. Right then, well, morning after the night before, nothing's ever straightforward, so took the bolt out of the front sprocket hole and it's bent. So I rang AP Workshop, see if they could get me another one out. I'd missed delivery for yesterday, I'm going out for a ride today, so it basically said get yourself some M10 by 35s. Sadly I don't have any in the local store, so these are by 40, so I'm going to cut 5mm off this, or 6. So I'll show you what we're up against here. Also it's a bit tight, I think now the chain says 2mm, or maybe that's alright. I'll go for a little spin on it. So, get your eyes. So, oh god. See, it's hooked up all right. It's just right then, so hacksaw to the rescue. We'll just put this on now, cut it down to size. That's the old one, the bent thing there, you see it? That's the new one, just cut a bit off. So we'll torque it to 50, then we'll have a coffee. Oop. There we go. So we'll put the covers back on. Oh yeah, baby. That was exhausting. So just a very quick video then to finish off the sprocket change. I've only done a mile or two on it, but what a difference it's made. The bike is much more rideable. So I did a very quick video, I did a very quick ride with the calibrated sat-nav on it, and it's kind of, the speedo overreads by maybe 1 or 2 miles an hour now, so there's not much error left in it. I'm not sure whether you can do a calibration. Well, you can do a calibration of the speedo, I just don't know what it calibrates. Apparently when I read the forums, it's your rear wheel speed sensor that does your speedo or something, so sprockets don't affect it. Don't know whether that's true, but yeah, I mean, used to struggle to get into 30 unless you're in second gear, for example, and now it's yeah, you've got a bit more flexibility with gears. So yeah, we'll give her a top speed run, a motorway run shortly, and God, those brakes never fail to impress. So yeah, there we go, and it looks really good. Although I do have a tight spot in the chain. I adjusted the chain, and I 2 centimeters worth of play you're supposed to have, and yeah, I did it right, and then I spun the wheel, or I moved the bike forward, fuck it, and yeah, there was loads of slack. So I think it's quite normal to have some sort of a flat spot, a tight spot, sorry. God, I'm trying to think and talk. But yeah, maybe a few miles will sort that out. So anyway, I'll sign it off there. And oh, another thing worth saying, the chain, I just got the one that AP Workshops recommended. It's 112 links, I think, with a 44 tooth rear sprocket. I'll check. And it looks a lot better than the gold chain that I bought for the Millie. It cost a little bit more. They had a cheaper one on their website, to be fair, but yeah, it's a much more vibrant gold colour, so pleased with that. Right, ciao for now.